Hey, my name is Brian Hendrickson. I'm going to walk you through installing Social Web app on your Linux server. What you want to do is go to this blog post at blog.socialweb.cloud here. Look for the quick installation. You're going to need a Linux server or Linux web hosting. Linode is what we're going to use for this. You can use your own domain name. In this example, we're going to use the domain name that comes with the server. I'm going to go to Linode and click Create here. And then I'm going to choose Ubuntu 22. Pick a region, and then pick a server with 2 gigabytes of memory at least. Set a password. And create the server. Now, next, I'm going to click over to this blog post again, and I'm going to look at what the first step is here. First, we need to connect to the server. So for that, we're going to need the server's domain name. I'm going to show you where to find that. There's a network tab down here on the bottom. Click on that. Scroll down. I'm going to grab this domain name here. Now my server is still provisioning. So I'm going to do SSH root at my domain name as soon as this is done. Now it says it's booting up, and now it says the server is running. So here we go. We're going to paste SSH root at domain name. Hit return. Try it again. Click the up arrow. Here we go. Type yes to agree, and then put in your password. All right, now I'm going to go back to this blog post and look at the next step here. Now that I'm connected, we're going to update the software packages list. And then we're going to install Ansible. I'm going to type capital Y and hit return. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to clone a Git repo with install scripts for the social web app. Now I'm cloning that repository. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to change directories into the new folder that we downloaded. And finally, we're going to run this Ansible playbook script to set up the server. Now, it wants to know the domain name I'm going to use. Ideally, this would be a domain name that you configure with one of your domain names, but we're going to use this. Paste. All right, the Ansible script is often running here. This does all of the work of setting up the Linux server, so it is going to configure the application and install the code and get the dependencies, get the SSL certificate, restart the processes, and set up scripts that allow you to stop and start the application. So this takes care of everything automatically. Okay, looks like our server is completely set up now. So I'm going to switch to and see if we can look at this on my. There we go. Now we're up and running, so I'm going to click sign up and create an account. And thanks for watching my video.